Can you guess what inside this box?
First, you need to
A fish. What is? Okay. I'm a turtle.
next put one arm into the sleeve. Then put this arm into the other sleeve.
Shoot in?
And last,
Oh no! The turtle can't see anymore. Where?
keep it one out.
Where can I go?
Okay. Then put on a shirt. At the same time.
I want to catch an octopus. Can you see where is an octopus? Oh, I can see the things.
You never got me. By the bottom. You place your shirt over your head.
A big fish, a yellow fish.
I see you put one into one sleeve.
I chase an octopus. I chase octopus.
And I see you pull your shirt over your belly. Is that the way you
Here, daddy fish.
You did it really well.
Yes.
Oh
Oh no.
Thank you for watching.
Go away.
Welcome to English for Parents. My name is Alicia, and in these lessons we will learn the phrases
Yes.
you can use to speak with your kids when they wear clothes or long ways.
Oh, what are
Let's get
these?
started. Now I want to invite you to imagine
Yes,
a
small
situation
fish. Scale.
in which your kids
The-
do not wear
The
clothes
fish has scale.
and imagine you will say
Yeah.
these following sentences. Sweetie, you were
Where's
wearing your
Finn?
shirt backwards.
Where's Finn? Can you point to Finn?
The
Yes,
side
Finn.
with the
Finn.
picture should be in
Finn.
front.
This one, Finn.
Sweetie, you
And
wearing
scale.
your shirt in the
Where's
now.
scale? Scale.
Take
Scale.
off your shirt and put it on again.
Do you have
Do you
scale?
can you know? Here, let me help you a little. You need to get the right side out. John, you put the shoes on the wrong feet.
The big fish
Your
swim in the
shoes are
sea.
not on the right feet. Let's switch them. This shoe is for the right foot.
Okay.
This one is for the
Daddy
left foot.
fish, daddy fish,
There we go.
where are
Now
you?
you've got it. Miss Mask
Mommy fish,
Can you
where
get another
are
pair to
you?
put on? Get another pair to put on. You didn't button up your shirt straight. You've buttoned your shirt
Baby
in the wrong
fish,
hole.
baby fish, where are
Let's
you?
unbutton all the buttons first. Then
How
we
do
will
you
button
do?
them all again. That's all the sentences that we have in today's lesson. Now let's practice these sentences again. Be
Baby
sure to
turtle?
understand the meaning of these
Yes.
sentences.
Baby
Everyone
turtle,
join.
baby
Okay,
turtle, where
section.
are you?
That's all the sentences that we have in today's lessons. Now let's practice saying them
Daddy
again. Be sure
turtle,
to
daddy
understand the meaning
turtle,
of these
where
sentences,
are you?
even when you don't look at the translation. Sweetie, you are wearing your shirt backwards. You
Yes.
are wearing your shirt backwards.
I'm so hungry. Can you feed me
Take
some
your shirt
food?
off and put it on again. We need to get the right side out. You've put your shoes on the wrong feet.
There are any
Your
food?
shoes are not on the
I'm
right
so
feet.
hungry. Can you feed me
Let's
some
switch
food?
them. This shoe is for the right
I need to
foot,
eat some seaweed.
and this one is for the left
I-
foot.
I-
There
Some
you
milk?
go.
Okay.
Now you've got it right. You've put on mismatched socks.
Now
Can you
I'm
find
full.
another pair to put on? You didn't button your shirts right. You buttoned your shirt in the wrong
Baby
place.
fish, baby
Let's
fish
unbutton
hungry
all the
too.
buttons first.
Baby
Then
fish
we
hungry
will button
too.
them all again.
Baby is so hungry. Is it a milk bottle? Yeah. Okay.
Hi there. Who are you? Now, are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Let's swim with me.
Okay, swim.
The octopus. The big octopus. There's a big.
How many legs?
Mommy, fish.
Okay.
Baby fish. The octopus has three legs to put in the water.
Octopus have 8 legs. Octopus have 8 legs.
Through some water.
Yes.
Through you.
Don't shoot you, please. I can't see anything when you shoot ink.
Yes.
No.
Very strong.
Daddy, yeah. Daddy.
Can you help? Can you help?
Okay.
Sleeping caves,
Now
right?
done.
Can you chase Octopus away?
Okay.
But we sleep in trees.
Hmm.
We hang upside down from branches.
Oh,
The octopus.
Foxes mostly eat
Now.
from flowers.
okay.
The baby fish. Okay. Mommy, baby.
Baby fish. Baby fish swim.
Find food.
Oh no. Baby fish hungry. Baby fish is hungry again.
Well,
Okay, let me see my bottle.
we can also smell things from far away.
Now I'm full.
The sun
Can I
is
get
setting.
me some seaweed?
Time for me to fly.
Okay. Here you are.
Goodbye, flying fox.
So tired. Eat food anymore. I'm so tired.
Little fox.
I'm not eating anymore. Baby fish. Mama,
Gray wolf.
mommy fish.
Mommy fish, where is my baby?
Yeah. Do.
I'll feed you some food.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow! A dinosaur!
You are not a dinosaur, you are a big fish.
Wolves live in other parts of the world too.
Wow! Dinosaur!
Where's your dinosaur? Where's your big dinosaur?
Baby. Dinosaur. Baby. Dinosaur. Mommy fish.
Okay, mommy make a mommy fish.
Mommy fish. Mommy fish.
Sometimes
Stop!
we
Stop!
Okay.
Mommy.
We also hunt
Yeah.
bison and moose.
Tiny fish.
No, I don't.
Big animals.
Here's your teddy fish. Teddy fish.
We all work together